In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use controller on GTA 5 PC FiveM. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up any controller that you have connected to your PC and use it to play FiveM. So natively, it shouldn't get detected, which means that if you try to open FiveM, you go into a server with the controller connected, usually nothing happens. So to bypass this and make sure that the controller works, what we want to do is run FiveM through Steam. As weird as this may seem, you will be able to add the FiveM executable to Steam on your library and then launch it from here. To do this, go over to your library, click the option to add a game at the bottom left, and then add a non-Steam game. Now you can click the browse option, and this is going to allow you to go over in your computer and find the FiveM executable file. Now this is going to differ from my computer to yours, so you just have to find out the location of the FiveM executable file on your computer. Once you do, open it up like this by just double clicking it, and then it is going to appear on this list. Make sure that it is highlighted and then add selected programs. Of course, I'm doing this example with the Rockstar launcher, but you should be doing it with FiveM instead. Once FiveM is added into your Steam library, highlight it. Once again, I'm going to do this example with GTA 5 itself, but you should right-click FiveM, the executable, go over to Properties, and then Controller. And here, just make sure that Steam Input is enabled. Steam Input is the feature that automatically sets up any controller that you connect, regardless of the brand and regardless of the version. Afterwards, go over to the controller configurator in here, and you will be able to see if your controller is being detected and working properly. You can browse through layouts made for the game, either officially made or community-made layouts. You can see the current one that you have, and you can even edit the layout manually, so you can change the buttons, D-pad, triggers, and joysticks. I hope I was able to help you on how to use controller on GTA 5 PC FiveM. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.